If you want to create visuals like these, follow along with me throughout the video. I will be using ChatGPT image generation model, which have been recently launched, and Photoshop to create these visuals and maintain the product's consistency, which is very much important when we work as a professional. Before starting, I want to mention or specify that for getting better, or we can say fantastic results from ChatGPT new image generation model, provided reference images. Using them, it will generate stunning visuals, and I will also be doing the same thing in this tutorial. So I have provided this, the reference image, which is this. In this, the background or we can say environments are matching with the themes of the product or and the colors of the product. So I am describing this in the prompt. In this, there is example style product photography, which is matching with the themes of the product. So I want to design a scene like them, which match with the brand with which I am designing the example I am designing. And here is a full stop, and that the example is not for copying the theme but style of background as per the product. So provide me the other product product idea to design the scene, and I also want to add something in this, which is and the lighting should not be too much complex so that can easily match the lighting of the scene with the product while replacing the replacing the real product with the generated product in the Photoshop. So this was the idea which is provided to me. And this is the Tampacola retro pop theme concept celebrating heritage with vibrant nostalgia, scene elements, pop art style background with comic dots, stars, and strips, coca bubbles floating around, 80s neon lights or sunburst. So with this prompt, I got this result, or you can say mock-up style image, which is this. And so then I write it to for two more idea for the product I provided, and then it provided this prompt, and I got this result, which is this. With the celebration prompt, I got this result. In this, it is following the theme of the celebration, and from other one more prompt for street pop vibe, I got the result, which is this. This is the street pop vibe scene with Campacola, and so I decided to go with the scene, which is the first. So I decided to go with this scene. Quickly, I want to describe some major advantages of using these mid-generation models. So first is cost savings on location and prop. Whenever we are going through conventional process of creating advertising visuals, we have to spend a lot on finding locations for shooting and gathering prop for them. So we can definitely save money for them using these. And the other is faster turnaround time. We can rapidly generate images within a minute using these models and try out different ideas, locations, and too many things with these models. And the other is this is more diverse and creative. This provides us reach for a lot of ideas and experimentation and so on. And this definitely decrease stress, or we can say manual labor. So these were the major advantages of using these models. I will be using the Photoshop to replace the product and then retouching the product and background and editing the lighting on the product. This is the final result which I have achieved using this whole process. And thanks for watching the video. And if you like this, please like and subscribe the channel.